Hey, yo, what's up, gang? My name, Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. Folks, welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. For those that don't know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online education platform that is available today. And at True Trading Group, results matter. And because they matter, we have one simple goal, and that's to help you guys to learn, trade, and profit. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and share this video. But most importantly, make sure you are subscribed. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live totally for free on this channel with myself and other TTG Pro Trader moderators and special guests. Drop golden nuggets and provide you with free lessons that can help you guys become better traders. But why should you listen to any of the stuff we talk about on here? I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. Began my trading career working for a fund in New York City, 2007, my very first job. Then 2008 happened, the Great Recession, the housing market crisis, the stock market crash. But it was during that time of chaos that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before I got to even touch $1 of their money, guys, I had to go through an intensive training program. I had access to some of the top trading tools, and I was part of a community of like-minded traders. And that is exactly what the True Trading Group platform is based on here now today. Guys, great day today. 2 for 2, solid day trades, but ripping serious profit off on a swing trade that we entered a couple days ago. I'm going to walk you through all of it. There's a lot of technical lessons that we're going to learn from the trading activity that took place here today. So we're going to start this live stream off as follows. 15, 20-minute Q&A. Going to give some time for people to log on, right? Allow you guys to ask me whatever questions that you have. Then I'm going to give you an update on my swing trade. Bros, ticker symbol BROS, Bros. Swing trade entered a couple days ago, took some profits off the table today. Solid trade. I will talk to you guys about that and what I expect from that trade now going forward, which is the rest of my game plan. I'm also going to break down my 2 winning trades today, JSPR, okay, and AFRM, AFRM, okay. So we're going to break down those 2 trades. There's some technical lessons regarding bull flag patterns that we're going to talk about. There's also technical lessons on shallow pullbacks and controlled pullbacks that can help you identify good buying opportunities. A lot to uncover, a lot to unpack. Let's not waste any more time. Start typing your questions in chat here, guys, right now. Okay, start typing your questions in chat now. All right, you've got myself sitting here telling you guys, ask me anything. I'm here to help. Don't be shy. Don't feel like you have a stupid question. There's no such thing as a stupid question. The only thing stupid is to not ask a question that you have when you have a trader with about 17 years of experience telling you, ask me anything. So without any further ado, let's begin the Q&A. Start typing your questions in chat right now. All right, folks. What do you got for me? When do you think the markets will decide which direction it wants to go? Yeah, that's a good question. You know what I think? Honestly, it's like you had your initial sell-off, right? This was your initial sell-off. Then you had a little bounce because of the Fed. Then reality kicked in. And now this bounce was technical. This bounce was purely technical. And now here we are, just chopping. We are just chopping around as the market tries to find its footing. And I think that the markets will choose direction with earnings that are coming up here. You know, we started out earnings. We're starting them off. We're kicking them off with the big banks. You know, JP Morgan out. And I think as we get deeper into your earnings for Q3, your Q3 earnings reports, I think that's going to be where we're going to get some dictation on what the markets want to do. You had the Fed minutes come out today. Markets moved a little bit higher after the Fed minutes came out. The Fed minutes, for those that don't know, is literally the notes that are taken during the Fed meeting. So we had the Fed meeting back on September 22nd. So today was the release of the notes from that meeting. And the markets traded a little bit higher once that was released at 2 o'clock. But I think that the real gauge here is going to be earnings. But I think it's more important what the CEOs of these companies say regarding inflation and regarding supply chains than it is the earnings that report for Q3. So I talked about this yesterday, actually, on my live stream, where, people were asking me about the SPY, and I was telling you what my thoughts were on the SPY. And I really, truly believe that this earnings season, it's more important to hear what companies think inflation looks like in Q4, in Q1 and Q2 of next year, and what companies think supply chain disruptions look like Q4, Q1, Q2 of next year. You already have statements coming out about, not being able to get, toys for Christmas. And, I'm seeing like all these crazy reports. You had Biden made a speech today about leaving the Los Angeles port open 24/7 to try to loosen up some of the supply chain chaos that's being seen across supply chains around the globe, hoping that having the port open 24/7 could release a little bit of that bottleneck and get some of those cargo ships that are anchored off the coast of California, get them into port, get them docked, unload that cargo, and get them back out to sea so they can go pick up other cargo elsewhere and repeat that process and loosen up that bottleneck. Those supply chains are a serious problem. You already saw Apple came out with an announcement. Was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? I think it was yesterday. About how they're cutting back production on the iPhone because of the supply chain disruption when it comes to semiconductor chips. And Apple is going to be making their own going forward. So, I just think that that's really where where the underpinnings of this market, that's where it lies. That's where the question mark is. The question mark is, it's not COVID. The question mark has nothing to do with vaccines or booster shots or anything like that. What the markets really need to see is inflation cooling off, and they need to see the supply chain righting itself. I fully expect a taper announcement in November. And how the markets react to that, I think a major part of that is going to be what these CEOs have to say over the next couple of weeks when it comes to earnings, to see if that supply chain loosens up or if companies are expecting things to get worse going into Q4 and then Q1. If companies are expecting things to get worse, that's when you look for the markets to really go lower. You look for the markets to drop down at least into the 420s and hit that 10% correction. That's what you would have to start to be looking for. So it's tough to put a finger on direction right now while we just started earnings, but that's what I'm looking for. I'm not even looking for, hey, did we beat earnings or not? Did we hit our revenue guidance or no? No, I'm looking to see what companies are saying about Q4 and Q1. And that should be in the next maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Nice. Father Guido, my man. Father Guido with a $1,600 trade on JSPR. Biggest single trade profit to date. Thanks, Mike and the TTG fam. Father Guido, do you remember how long it took you to join the TTG family? Father Guido, guys, and I can pick on him right now because we're cool like that. I used to pick on Father Guido because he would attend every single live stream, but he would not sign up. And then finally, the day that he signed up, it was like a big, hey, Father Guido, welcome to the family. But Father Guido, let me ask you one question, brother. Do you wish you joined sooner? Is the question that I have for you. Do you wish you joined sooner? That is the question that I have for you. Go ahead. You can type it in chat. Don't be shy, Father Guido. I would like to know if you think that you would have joined, that if you wish you would have joined sooner. There's his answer. Can we get his answer on the screen? I just saw his answer in chat. I don't know if Adam, if you see it, you see Father Guido's response. And there it is. Oh yeah, Kool-Aid man. The Kool-Aid bowl. That's how I feel like saying that. Best thing I ever did. Best thing I ever did. Just like you guys see that movie Fury with Brad Pitt? Best job I ever had, baby. Best job I ever had. Father Guido, I'm glad you joined the group, brother. It's a pleasure trading with you each and every day, my man. Great job on JSPR today. Chris, too. Chris Botsis, my boy Chris, killed it today on JSPR. Chris, I'm really proud of you, man. Guys, I just want to say something real quick. And Chris, I'm putting you on the spot a little bit, so forgive me. Chris, one of the hardest working TTG members that I know. There's a couple of members that really stand out to me that I've had one-on-ones with, and that I know put their blood, sweat, and tears into learning this skill, and to see the progress that they're having. Chris Botsis is one of them. Dana, you're another one. Dana's another one. Just a couple of people that kind of stand out that struggled at first and are now, but David Padilla, you're my boy too. A couple of people that stand out that I've had one-on-ones with that really busted their ass and are now seeing the results and reaping the, kind of the rewards. So congratulations on that, Chris. Great job today. Really, really, really great job. Is it groups like this that push stock? No, Emma. No, it's not. I mean, Emma. Okay, so let me explain this to you first. Okay, it's a really great question, Emma. Let me read the question for those that can't see it. So Emma asks, "Is it groups like this that push stocks up?" No, but it's a great question, Emma. And there are groups out there that you need to be wary of. Groups that are out there that it's called front running. They get in, they buy a bunch of shares themselves of a stock that's not very liquid. It doesn't trade a lot. It's usually like a real cheap, crappy company. It doesn't have a lot of volume. And they come in and they buy a bunch of shares, and then they talk about it online. They talk about it on social media. They alert it to their members. If they have a lot of followers, then those people come in and they buy the stock. The stock starts to go up even higher. And meanwhile, the people that bought it in the beginning, they're selling into that. And it's called a pump and dump. So you do have groups out there that do that. You need to be very cautious of that. Be very cautious of groups that are out there pushing one or two stocks very, very aggressively, where every single day they are just talking about the same stock. Okay, there's a lot of free Discord groups that are out there that do this kind of stuff. It's super sketchy. Typically, it results in somebody or a group of people getting in trouble down the road with the SEC. You got to be really careful of this. All right, you got to be really careful with this. So it's very important that you understand the background of the group that you're behind, and you understand what they trade and who's controlling it, what their identities are, what their backgrounds are. Okay, the stocks that we trade in True Trading Group are very, very liquid. What that means is they trade a lot of volume already. Okay, so none of the trades that we trade in True Trading Group could be moved in a direction other than where that stock was already going to be going, because they are so liquid. There are millions and millions and millions of shares that are being traded on these stocks. Okay, so regardless of if I call out a buy alert on something or a sell alert on something, it is not going to move the price of that stock in a direction other than where it would be going with or without me calling that alert. Okay, there's plenty of times actually where, and my members can verify this, my members, you guys can say true or false. There's plenty of times in chat during the day where I actually say, guys, this stock does not have enough volume. I am not going to trade it. And I purposely avoid situations like that where a stock does not have a lot of liquidity. Okay, so we avoid stocks that have low volume. The lower the volume, the greater the risk. And my TC fam, you guys can confirm true or false. All right, so there you guys have. You can see all the members that are commenting true. Good question, though, Emma. Emma, it's a fair question. You're asking the right questions. When I sign up, does the screen resolution Come on, man. Oh my God. Yeah, man. Come on. Yes. Yes. The screen improvers. When you're streaming, when I'm streaming live, you guys understand we're streaming on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch.
That has absolutely nothing to do with it.
Whatever, man.
No, guys, I'll tell you what it is. Mike is technologically challenged. He didn't know how to set up a Google Doc the other day. That was really disturbing. Hell of a trader. He's definitely able to make you guys money, but my God, I would not let him install your cable.
No, definitely don't ever ask me to install your cable. I can like hang your TV on the wall.
No, you can't.
Absolutely, I can. Come on, give me a break. Okay, but do not ask me to install anything. Literally, ever. Do not ever ask me to install anything. You know, that's what Geek Squad is for. Not making bank yet, but 3 green days this week. Base hits consistently first, getting there. Crouching Trader, hidden mustache. I love your username. I love your username. Okay. So I got to tell you, great job. You got to learn to walk before you run. You know, focus on hitting base hits, singles and doubles. The home runs will come. Consistency is key. The goal is to be consistently profitable. That's a skill you can take with you for the rest of your life. And 3 green days so far this week. That's your 3 for 3, baby. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going tomorrow. Let's finish the week off strong. Mike, if your trade doesn't hit your stop loss or profit targets by the end of the day, how do you determine if you should swing the stock overnight or just close it out? Okay, Rockman, great question. Really great question. I love when my TTG members come in strong with the questions. Great question, Rockman. Okay, so here we go regarding that. I don't like turning a day trade into a swing trade unless the stock did exactly what I thought it was going to do. So, Rockman, you have to ask yourself, what was the intention when you entered the trade? Was it intended to be a swing trade? Now, if the answer is yes, then you hold on to it because you're not stopped out. You didn't get to your profit target. It's a swing trade. That's your whole entire game plan. But if your game plan when you entered it was for it to be a day trade and you didn't get stopped out, but you didn't reach your profit target, that means the stock did not do what you thought it was going to do. Do not ever let a day trade turn into a swing trade if the stock did not do what you thought it was going to do. Okay, it was intended to be a day trade, didn't work out, exit the trade. Don't carry the risk overnight because the stock didn't do what you thought it was going to do. Now, if you intend on it to be a day trade and the stock does exactly what you thought it was going to do, it breaks out, it gives you follow through, it looks great, you take profit, you're holding on to maybe 25% of your position, and you're like, you know what? The stock did exactly what I thought. My analysis is correct. I'm going to hold this last piece overnight. That is okay. It's okay to let a day trade turn into a swing trade when the stock did exactly what you thought it was going to do. But if it doesn't do what you thought, don't let a day trade turn into a swing trade just because you're not stopped out. The stock didn't do what you thought it was going to do. Therefore, the chances of your analysis being wrong has just increased. Get out of the trade. If the setup is still there tomorrow, you can trade it again. Nice. Brolin just goes, Mike, I literally just took the course that covered this lesson. I love it. Tier trading saved my account today. Jimmy JJ, that is the tier trading saves my account every day. Tier trading is what it's all about. Guys, tier trading, for those that don't know what that is, it's a specific trading style that I implement and I teach all of our members how to trade in a tier strategy. It is it's designed to do 2 things specifically. Help you stay in winning trades longer and to help you keep losing trades small. That is the entire purpose of a tier trading style. All right? Entire purpose. I identify multiple profit targets. So when I buy a stock, I have 3 or 4 profit targets. And when we get to profit target 1, I sell 25% of my position. Profit target 2, 50% of my position. Profit target 3, 25% of my position. Okay. And that's how you guys will learn how to trade their way. You'll learn how to identify those different resistance levels and those profit target areas. As a member of True Trading Group, you'll learn how to look at a chart and say, okay, here's profit target 1, 2, and 3. You'll learn that. But I guarantee you, once you learn how to trade in tiers, you'll never trade any other way. I can guarantee that this will have an immediate impact on your P&L. How can I guarantee that? Because our almost 7,700 members of True Trading Group can vouch for the tier trading strategy completely changing and improving their own trading results. I do not believe there's a single TTG member that learned the tier trading style and was like, nah, I don't like this. I'm doing it a different way. Every single one of our members, and you guys, you can all verify it. All my members in chat can all confirm this, that once you learn how to trade in tiers, you're never going to want to trade any other way. How much capital you need to buy your TTG to recoup the TTG fees? In other words, how much money needed to play stock in your platform? Okay, so let me clarify something. Okay, you do not need tens of thousands of dollars in order for you to make money in the markets, and that's not even just with my platform or just in general. You do not need thousands and thousands of dollars in order for you guys to make money in the markets. It's very, very possible for you to make money with just a few $100. Matter of fact, there's a lot of our TTG members that started off with less than $1,000 in their account, and now they're all making money. And in order for me to actually, I'll just prove it to you, right? Instead of me just answering this question for you, I'll let TTG members answer it for you instead. It means more coming from members. So if you're a member of TTG, guys, do me a favor real quick. If you're a member, if you started, when you first joined True Trading Group, if you had less than $1,000 in your trading account, sound off in chat right now. And if you don't mind, let me know how much you had when you started and where you are now today. Sound off in chat right now for me, guys, if you can. All right. Yes, Chris. My boy Chris started with 500. He's now at 3,000. CM started with just $500. No way. Mo Money, are you serious? Mo Money started with $3,000, is now over $100,000. That is absolutely insane. Mark Semenek started with 500, is now at 2,500. Jojo started with 1,000, is now at 1,500, just their very first week. Eric R started with $400, is now at $7K. Bruce started with just 500. Right? So you guys can see, I'll let you guys, you can read some of these comments in chat, but you got, the point is you don't need thousands and thousands of dollars. My boy Lloyd Braun started with $200, is now at $1,876. Marcos Zavala made $7,000 in just 6 days. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Nick from $300 to 5,000. Julie started with $200. Miss K started with $79 and is now at over 700. That's insanely impressive. Big Pimp started with 25K 1 week ago, is now over 30,000. Uranus the Angel from 300 to 4,900. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, guys, keep typing your questions in chat. Keep typing your questions in chat. Wow, that's incredible. Mo Money. So Mo Money is the same person that started with 3,000, is now up over 100,000. But before joining True Trading Group, they were down 45K. That's actually incredible. What I will say is this too, though. Let me actually say something before we move on to the next question. And because I'm real. I'm as real as they get. I don't sugarcoat anything. I'm fully transparent. You guys, you always get the truth from me. As proud as I am of all of my members that you see commenting about the money that they're making, it's equally as important for me to acknowledge that not everybody is killing it. Okay. A lot of people like to just talk about the people that are making money, but not all of my TTG members are crushing it. All right. The fact of the matter is over 80% of our members are doing well, meaning they're making money and they're becoming better traders. But that still means just under 20% of my members are struggling. And it is very important that we recognize that. Very important we recognize that. In that True Trading Group, I know it's not possible to have 100% of our members be successful. I know it's not possible, but that doesn't mean that we can't try. And that's why we host every month what's called a red to green workshop. The red to green workshops are designed specifically to help any of our struggling members. So members that are struggling, they will submit questions and topics on lessons and things that they're having a difficult time with. And then the moderators will host a 2-hour-long workshop live covering all those different topics and all those different lessons. Those are our red to green workshops. Okay, so again, very important. Congratulations to all of those that are having success, but equally as important to recognize those that are struggling. Remember, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Okay, stick with it. Continue to go through the courses, the education. The teaching moderators are here to help, ask questions, attend private study groups, get that mentor guidance. All right, we are all here, and we're going to get you guys on the right track together. Donna Moore, I have found the education and support for a successful trading career with TTG. I love it. All right. I signed up today during the trial period. After following the Roku trade, I was able to use the money I made to sign up annually. That's awesome. Welcome to the group. Look, all it took was one day in chat, and you decided to join the TTG fam. Congratulations on the Roku trade. That was a nice one today. The Roku trade was a nice one today. Congratulations on that one. Any of the other members that caught that. I'll talk about the trial real quick since you mentioned it. We do have a 1-week trial, guys, with True Trading Group for those that are interested. Okay, we do have a 1-week trial. So if you guys are interested, you could join True Trading Group for 1 week. It's only $3. We charge $3 to make sure that you're a real person. Okay, you can go to ttgthree.com to sign up for the trial. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no auto renew. It's literally just a one-time payment of $3. Okay, so you can go to ttgthree.com if you guys want to sign up for our trial. CM Motorsports goes, guys, if you join the trial, trust me, you're going to sign up for an annual membership before the trial is over, just like I did. I'm one of those struggling, but I'm getting just slowly. I started with 500. I'm down overall, but not horribly. This group is legitimate and great. Valkill, hang in there, brother. We're going to do it together, man. We'll do it together. We're all here. We will do it together. All right, guys, I'll take maybe 1 or 2 more questions, and then we're going to dive. We got a lot to cover today. We got a lot to cover, guys. We've got, like I said, we've got the Bros swing trade, which the options are up 30%. The options that I told you guys about. I bought the stock itself, but I alert members to the options.
I'm going to read this one.
Okay.
So holy moly, I know exactly who you are. You were in chat today. You and I spoke today. And I gave you a cell phone number to me. You text me. You and I are going to figure this out together. You can do this. I know your situation. We spoke about it today. And I will do everything I can in my power to help you out. I know that you're in a difficult spot. We spoke about it. And even though you're in a difficult spot, I see that you're on here. I'm not going to get into what you and I talked about. But look, if you tell yourself, and I don't even care if this takes up time and it doesn't sound flashy, but if you continuously tell yourself, I can't do this, I'm just going to lose, this sucks, I can't do this, everyone's making money but me, I'm not going to be able to do, then yeah, you know what? You've already sealed the deal.
You know what else I want to just add here, Adam? I don't know if you see it or not, but do you see the comments coming through from members?
No.
So this is why I love the TTG family as much as I do. And this is why I say welcome to the family, because as soon as we just put this message on the screen, I want you guys to see Greta DeSantis at Holy Moly. We will all help you. Mo Money goes at Holy Moly. Please read out to TTG. We're all here. Jay Schmai at Holy Moly. We are all here for you. Okay. You go through and you start to read some of these. Chris goes, Holy Moly, I was there too. Hang in there. We'll turn it around. Holy moly, just follow Mike's trades. Be patient, says Spiro. Holy moly, don't defeat yourself. Look at all, holy moly, TTG cares and you can do this. Look at all of the people that are commenting in chat right now. TTG members that have your back, holy moly. Look at how many people are here for you. Ask questions. Do not ever be afraid to get help. That is how you are going to learn. I got to tell you, every single one of my TTG family members, I love you all. And seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for these comments. It really means a lot. I know it means a lot to Holy Moly to see these messages. I know that trading can be a very lonely profession. It is very, very important in a trader's career and in a trader's development to have a support team like this. We've all been there. Guys, I've been doing this for almost 17 years. I promise anything you're going through, I've already been through it myself. I know exactly how you feel. I know exactly what you are going through. And all of our members know exactly what you are going through and how you feel. But the good news is that all of these people that know exactly how you feel, they got past it. They got through it. There's light at the end of the tunnel, and we do it together. We do it as a group. We're all here to help each other. And that's what being part of a trading group is all about. It's not about just stroking the ego of some head trader. It's about making each other better. And that is why when I say, welcome to the family for whoever signs up during the live stream, I mean that. And you're seeing it play out firsthand.
Text, I'll put the number on the screen. I need you to send me a text message right now. Holy moly, send me a text message right now, please. All right. The one thing we gotta, send me a text message right now. Let's talk for a second. All right.
All right. So I think that just about wraps up. I think that just about wraps up kind of the Q&A. I want to actually see who we have here that is on the live stream right now. That is, because I know Adam's gonna probably go have a conversation with Holy Moly. But I think there's maybe, I'd like to see how many people are here right now that are new to the live stream, or if you're not a member, guys, do me a favor. Type the number 1 in chat right now if you are new to the live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. Type the number 1 in chat right now. Yusafi, Money, Charles Wilkinson. Charles, one of these days, brother, I feel like I've read your name a few times now, a couple nights in a row. One of these days, Charles, Uranus the Angel, Carlos Hinojosa, Steve, Matt Hughes, Leonard Rocio, Dirty Cuban, Blazed Sniper. I like that name. Mari Zelaya, Sean Pewitt, Tony Romanyuk. I hope I pronounced that correctly. KB111169, Bryant Bray, Nico, Tom Cox, Justin Capel, Garamond Taylor, Marlin, Ten Tinley, just answered that question before. Arvin Domingo, Terrence, Sebastian, Andrew Cox. Damn you, Vinny. Damn you, bro. Victor Torres, Lamar Jackson, you were here last night. What's up? Welcome back. Buy or board, Tim Johnson, Adrian Mora. Guys, welcome. Welcome. Bev, how are you? Guys, listen, at True Trading Group, seriously, results matter. If you guys haven't realized that by now, we help people reach their goals of becoming consistent profitable traders by combining top-notch education with premium tools and from companies like TradingView, Benzinga, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, and more. We are a community where we all share the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. Guys, listen carefully, because if you've been following our live streams now for a little while, you'll know that we've been moving the price up by a couple of bucks every day. While we work our way back up over $2,000. Last week, you could have joined for $11.06, but it's now confirmed. On February 1st of 2022, the one-year membership to our TTG will be $2,500. And we have to raise the price up to $2,500 because TTG is a platform. There's resources, there's tools that are on the platform for you to use. We basically level the playing field. The True Trading Group platform is going to take the education I received when I worked on Wall Street, when I worked at a fund, and we're going to give you guys that in a simplified and expanded upon version of it. But we also negotiate these deals with Benzinga, Trade Ideas, Quote Media, TradingView to take their tools and resources and put them on the TTG platform. So you have not only a professional education, but you also have access to the tools that professional traders use. This is how we level the playing field. Okay. These tools and resources cost us as a company a lot of money to have on the platform. So that's why we have to raise the price of our membership. There's not going to be a Halloween sale, a Thanksgiving sale, a Christmas sale, a New Year's sale. The cheapest you will be able to get a membership to True Trading Group is literally here now, tonight, right now. The idea of True Trading Group is to make the tools and the education that is needed to succeed well within reach for anyone that wants it. But we also do know our value, and we know that our value, we are worth, even at $2,500, we're worth a hell of a lot more. And we know that. But good news is we're not at 2,500 yet. We'll be there February 1st. But the one-year membership used to normally be $2,212 for the entire year. But right now, tonight, before midnight Pacific, you can save 46%, brings the price all the way down to just $1,180. That's $1,180 when you use the coupon code TTG121. Okay, that price will continue to go up every single day until we get to 2,500 on February 1st. It's 1180 today. It was 1106 last week. So take advantage of the TTG121 coupon code. Sign up now where you guys can still get the 46% discount. And in addition to that, we're going to be giving away 2 small private mentor study groups with anyone that signs up here tonight. This is a chance for you to get individual attention from a TTG moderator to go over lessons and topics that you are struggling with. Okay. And I'm not sure what we've got. Let me see here, guys. Hold on one more second. I got something else for you guys, for those that joined tonight. I'm waiting on Adam, guys. I'm waiting on Adam. Adam is literally checking to see what we have as far as laptops go. Okay. All right. Adam was able to get his hands on 9 more laptops. We had 6 left over. Adam was able to get his hands on 9 more. Okay. So we have a total of 15 laptops for tonight. So here's the deal. The next 15 people that use coupon code TTG121 will get themselves a 46% discount, 2 small private mentor study groups, and 1 brand new free laptop. We also will cover the shipping cost for you. We ship anywhere in the world. As long as DHL ships to your country, we will ship to you. We have members from literally all corners of the globe. I want you to think of True Trading Group as a Netflix of trading communities, guys, because you pay the one price, you get access to the core of everything that we have. Let me explain what's included on the platform briefly, and then we're going to get into my AFRM trade. We're going to talk about bull flag breakouts. We're then going to talk about JSPR, my another winning trade for me today. I was 2 for 2 today on the day trade side. JSPR, the lesson we're talking about there is identifying controlled shallow pullbacks and how to tell that that's a buying opportunity by means of controlled shallow pullbacks. What does that look like? How can we identify them? Because those are good buying opportunities. We're going to talk about that here today. And then I'm going to update you guys on my swing trade from a couple days ago. We took more profits off today on bros, and I'll tell you what I'm looking for going forward.
Hi, I just want to address one thing.
Sure.
Somebody just sent me a text. They said every day, first of all, this person went ahead and impersonated Holy Moly, right? So they're immediately just a piece of crap in my book. Then they started to say that every day we have new laptops somehow. Mm-hmm. Every day they almost run out. How is that not a scam? How is what not a scam? Giving away free electronics?
Yeah, giving away free stuff is definitely a scam.
How is that a scam?
Fucking loser.
Oh my God.
I can't.
What a tool. How is giving away free stuff a scam? He goes, you guys throw Mike up, which probably isn't even his real name, and you guys say the same thing every time and pull up the same suckers. Yo, I'm gonna post this guy's information.
Go for it.
Nah. I'm just gonna block him. He's an idiot. I just think it's funny.
Don't throw stones if you live in a glass house, brother.
Yeah, bro. What a loser.
What a loser. Well, anyway, I'm going to carry on. Because the suckers that this person talks about are actually changing their lives, and over 80% of them are making money. So
for that number.
Sounds like we have to reevaluate the definition of a sucker. But we're going to move on. I'm not going to waste my time on nonsense because I got a lot of stuff I want to break down and a lot of education that I want to share for people that actually want to learn and for people that actually want to improve on their trading results, because that's what matters, right? We're talking about a skill that can potentially help you guys change your lives and improve your financial situation. So let's talk about what matters now. Let's not talk about the things that don't matter, because people like that are irrelevant in the world. Let them be miserable by themselves. So when it comes to True Trading Group, okay, when you guys join, you're paying one price to get access to everything that we have. All right. You're going to get access to the entire 17 course curriculum, which is a simplified version of the stuff I learned when I worked at the hedge fund. There's beginner and advanced courses. There's also options, trader psychology, crypto, swing trading. They're all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. And you get all the courses. There aren't any VIP or pro courses that cost more money after you guys sign up. There's no upsells to pay for more courses. You get access to all of them. Then you're also going to get our new trading journal. Our trading journal is badass. This thing will track all your stock, option, crypto, and futures trades to help you really identify and isolate where you are going wrong and identify the mistakes you're making so that we can then work on how to make adjustments to fix that. This is a complete game changer on being able to actually go back and journal and review your trading to figure out where we're making mistakes. I'm telling you, this is I'm so happy to bring this, to the TTG fam, because it's been a long time coming and a lot of members are excited about it. But this is the kind of stuff that can really help improve on your trading. Then you're also going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. Gives you news as soon as it crosses the wire. You're not going to be relying on delayed news from something like a Yahoo Finance. You're going to get Quote Media's full book level 2. So you see all the market makers in level 2, not just the one. And yes, this is market makers, not just the ones your broker shows you. You're going to get TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders. We have a trade simulator as well that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data, so you can practice implementing what it is that you're learning in the courses. You get our trade ideas scanner that shows you stocks making new highs, new lows, that have a surge in volume. That scanner is broken up between small caps, mid caps, and large caps. So no matter what you trade, we make sure you're focused on the hottest stocks during the day. You also have our own proprietary scanner that's got the same functionality as FinViz Elite. You can create and save your own scanner settings, but you'll also get free analyst ratings on all the stocks that are on the scanner as well in a downloadable report. You get our chat room, obviously, where the moderators and I share our screen during the day. We're live on the microphone calling out our trades in advance. You can send us DMs and ask us questions during the day. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours. We're there the whole day, identifying opportunity and providing market commentary and calling out all of our trade alerts. I call out my trades in advance of actually making them. Okay, I literally come on the microphone and I say, hey guys, looks like we got support at $20. I'm looking to be a buyer around $20.25. My stop loss will be around $19.30. I'm looking to take profits at $21, $21.75, and $22.50. And that's exactly what I'll say on the microphone before I enter a trade. So the entire room knows exactly what I'm going to do before I actually do it. You guys can just type true or false if you don't mind. If you're a member of True Trading Group, is that or is that not how things go down in the TTG fam on a daily basis? And then, like I said, you can also send DMs to the moderators and ask us questions. We also do live workshops and webinars every week covering a variety of different topics. We also give you the 2 small private study groups where you're going to get individual attention from a teaching mod to ask questions and go over lessons that you need help with. And then we do a bunch of giveaways too. Every time True Trading Group gets 300 new annual members, we give away $30,000 or a brand new Tesla. I guess some people have problems with when we give away free stuff. But all you need to do is
it's a scam. You're not actually giving away. It's a scam. We're
giving away 30 grand. It's totally a scam. But yeah, all you have to do is be a member of True Trading Group, guys, and you'll have a chance to win 30 grand or a brand new Tesla. The winner will choose cash in the car. To this day, we've never had anybody take the car. Every single person has taken the cash so far. You just have to be a member, and you guys will have a chance to win 30 grand or a brand new Tesla every time we get 300 new members. All right. So use coupon code TTG121. You'll get all that.
Real quick. Jason, Jay's Trades. I see that you just tried to sign up. You have to put in the coupon code. You have to put in the coupon code because it tried to charge you $19.90. You have to put in the code in order to get the savings.
Did he pay $19.90?
No. I mean, it showed failed. I'm just letting him know not to try and retry it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, you actually have to enter the code TTG121 and then click apply code, like we're going to show you right now on the screen. That's how you'll get the 46% off. All right. You'll also know that you're getting one of the 15 laptops. We had 6 left over. Adam was able to get his hands on 9 more. You guys have to realize Adam has developed relationships with a handful of wholesalers around the world. And just tries to, it's a scam, but tries to just scrunch together whatever he can get his hands on. Sometimes it's 0. Sometimes it's 5. Sometimes it's 10. Sometimes it's 20. Sometimes it's 50. Okay.
Can you guys do me a favor real quick? Can you guys do me a favor? Can you, if you received a free electronic from us, can you type the number 1 in chat, please?
Look at all those number 1s. Yeah, it's totally a
scam. They must all be in on it.
Yep, everyone.
They must all be in on it.
Look at all these number 1s. All these people received a laptop or electronic from True Trading Group.
Damn.
Look at these number 1s. This is so many members on here. I love it.
Somebody
look at how many members are on here. This is awesome. I love this.
Damn.
What a scam. Oh, so guys, listen, but you look on your screen. So you guys see on your screen, you see how you see the laptop in your checkout cart? That's how you know you're getting one of the free laptops. If you see the laptop in your cart. Okay. If you don't see the laptop, that means we've sold out of the 15. All right. I don't know when Adam's going to be able to get more. It's really, it's a crapshoot every day.
I try and get them. Somebody goes, I declined a laptop, but now I thought he said I got one anyways. I'm like, all right. Somebody goes, Adam pays me to say that I got a free laptop. That's true. I pay all these people the cost of a laptop to say they got a free laptop. No, look, I try and get it every day. I just, look, it would be great for us. I would make an ad if I knew that we could get them every day. I would literally make that our entire ad campaign. Sign up for True Trading Group, get a free laptop. I put it all over Facebook. Problem is that I don't know, like it's literally day to day. That's the issue, right?
Yeah.
So
especially now with all these chip shortages, it's crazy. It's hard to get.
Yeah.
But, so there you guys go. So TTG121 coupon code. You guys can enter that code, click apply code. You get the 46% discount. You'll get the two private mentor study group sessions, and you'll get the brand new free laptop. And I've got a little announcement. Adam, stay with me here for this one. Adam and I actually have a little announcement that we're going to make, because included with your membership is a money back guarantee. But we're going to actually change things up, and we're going to do you one better.
Well, I also want to thank Vinny for this.
Yeah, thank Vinny for this. Vinny, I know he's on here too.
Vinny's not a member. I have literally told Vinny to send me a text message for days. He hasn't done it yet. But
Vinny wins the YouTube's biggest ball buster award.
So, Vinny gave me the idea. So the other day we're on here and I called Vinny out and he was a good sport about it. Okay. Vinny's
a cool dude.
Vinny's a good sport. He has not signed up yet, but I called him out and I said, hey man, you sign up and the money back guarantee, explain the money back guarantee that we have real quick.
Yeah. So let me tell you guys about this, because we have a money back guarantee. So when you join True Trading Group, I stand behind this program. This is the same education I received when I worked at the fund. I stand behind it. I put my money where my mouth is. True Trading Group is about results. It's not just, empty words and broken promises. At True Trading Group, I put my money where my mouth is. So here's the deal. If you join TTG and you go through the courses, you pass the quizzes, and you attend one private study group session, you get two, but I'm only asking you to attend one. If you do those three things and still don't make your membership fee back at least once, that's $1,180. If you don't make that back, we give you all of your money back, a full refund. We give it back to you, but we're going to do you one even better.
So here's the thing. So Vinny goes ahead and just is like, hey, isn't going to sign up or whatever. So then I go ahead and I say to him, okay, man, well, if you're not going to sign up, right, I will take all of the worry out of it for you, right? I said, you sign up, and if you don't make your money back, you'll get the money back guarantee, but I'll also throw in, extra money on top of it, right? So a lot of people were like, shit, I'd take that deal, right? Let me ask you a question. New people in here, right? People that are not members. If we gave you 100% money back guarantee and offered you additional money on top of that, if it didn't work out, would you not take that? If I said, yo, I'm going to give you all your money back plus $50.
Yep.
Okay, so deal. That's what we're doing. So, and this will apply retroactively to all current members as well. Okay? All current members as well. You sign
Adam,
up
someone just goes, if I had it in writing.
It is in writing.
It's on our website.
So check this out. So before the live stream, This is our new refund policy, everyone. We are so confident in what it is that we are doing. And so this also counts for everyone that's in their annual membership right now, retroactively. We're going to give you all your money back, plus an additional $50. It's right there. It is right here. And it is on the main refund page as well. So there you go. You sign up tonight. You and you get a free laptop, but you get our money back guarantee. And if you use the money back guarantee, I'm going to go ahead and give you $50 on top of the money you get back.
So basically, guys,
it's like 105%. It's like 105% money back
Mark,
guarantee.
Here's the deal. Literally, we're so confident that if you guys do this, okay, we're telling you, join tonight with TTG121 coupon code. Okay, you're gonna get a brand new free laptop. You're gonna get a 46% discount, 2 free private study group sessions. But you have to go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend 1 study group session. You have to put in a little effort. That's all I ask. Literally, the only thing I ask from you is to try. And if you do, and don't make the $1,180 back, we'll give you $1,230. So you pay $1,180, get a free laptop. You don't make it back, we'll give you back $1,230 for your inconvenience, and you still got a free laptop on top of that. Find me one other group or service in any industry that would do that, because none are more confident and stand behind their program more than we do.
This is not a sales gimmick. This is no BS. This is 1,000% what it is. All right. That's it.
And you want to know why we can do this? Because our refund rate is 1.56%.
Yeah, so I'm the numbers guy. I'm the guy that runs the business. Mike's the trader, right? Let me explain why this makes sense to me and for True Trading Group as a business.
Wait, okay? Vinny goes, guys, you're never going to get this deal. Take it and thank me.
Let me explain why this makes sense as a business. Someone's like, oh, why would you do that? Well, let me explain. Our refund rate is, first of all, we've never turned down a refund for anyone that's asked. Okay? So it's so incredibly low that even if we did pay an extra $50 and the rate stayed the same, well worth the cost of doing business.
Yeah.
It makes you guys feel more comfortable. You don't walk away empty-handed if something doesn't go well. But statistically, you're probably not going to need it. But if you do, it's there.
Yep.
My call's on Vinny.
By calls on Vinny. Vinny to the moon. Everyone diamond hands Vinny. But guys, there you have it. And honestly, I can do this without even breaking a sweat, because the numbers don't lie. Over 80% of our members are making money, becoming better traders. If you guys don't believe me, watch. Just watch this. Forget what I'm saying. Forget what Adam's saying. Just watch this. Guys, if you're a member of True Trading Group, if you're making money, type the number 1 in chat. If you're making money, type the number 1 in chat. Anyone that's not a member and is literally listening to this, just pay attention to the amount of number 1s that come through in chat right now, because all these number 1s are the reason why we can offer you this money back guarantee. Okay. I should call it a money profit guarantee. I don't even know what to call it anymore. But these number 1s,
it's not just it's literally we're guaranteeing you. Like, yeah, I don't even know what you would call it.
Yeah. I don't even know what to call it. But that's how confident we are. Guys, the refund rate of our program is 1.56% since inception in 2017. So, like I said, of all the people that have signed up, we've refunded 1.56%. Now, I share that number with you, not just to show you that how infrequently we get a refund request, but to show you the refund is real, guys. It is real. And we're going to now give you your full money back plus an extra $50. And you have a free laptop. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to say. It's time for me to get into my trades. That's what it's time for. So yeah,
guys, all of this is in writing on the website. Not only is it in writing, but you have the two principals of the company on a live stream that is being recorded telling you that this is what it is. Good luck not winning that dispute. Like
K-Rock just makes a good point. K-Rock goes, guys, you're literally guaranteeing a 10% gain on your investment when you include the laptop.
Yeah, we are.
So you're literally taking $1,180 and you're guaranteeing a 10% return on that money when you factor in the free laptop and the extra $50 that you're going to make on the 1180. You guys realize this? Somebody, I love you, Eric. Eric goes, yo, if you toss in a TTG toaster, I'm game.
Done.
No, Eric's a member. Eric's a member.
Oh.
He's messing with All right. So there you have it, folks. Use coupon code TTG121. If this is not enough to get you guys to be serious and invest in yourselves, nothing ever will. So you guys I don't know what else to say if you guys aren't ready to pull the trigger with that. But remember, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. You'll get the free laptop as long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart. All right. Let's move on to the trade recaps of the day. And in order for me to do that, what I'm going to do here now, I'm going to go ahead and share my charts again. All right. Okay. What do we want to do first? First, let me update you guys on the swing trade. Let's do that first. The update on the swing trade is BROS, ticker symbol BROS. So if you guys follow my lives on Monday, just on Monday night, literally just go back. Just go back and watch the live stream from Monday night. It's on the YouTube channel. I announced to the world, and I also announced to the world on Twitter. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, go ahead. My Twitter handle is @MikeEdward_TTG. Again, it's @MikeEdward_TTG. Go give me a follow there on Twitter. I always post trade ideas, market commentary, educational stuff on the Twitter page, so you guys can follow me there. But on Monday, I announced to the world that I was entering a swing trade on BROS, and I got long at $48.41 on Monday. Okay, today the stock got to $52. But here's also the deal. Whenever I enter a mid or large cap stock like this, like a higher price stock, because I trade everything. I trade small caps, mid caps, large caps. I trade stocks, options. I day trade, I swing trade. Whenever I enter a mid or large cap, I'll alert you to an option to coincide with it. So when I bought the stock at 48.41, I told everybody to look at the November 19th expiration, $50 strike call options. They were at $5 at the time that I bought the stock at 48.41. So a lot of my members stepped in that have smaller accounts, and they bought the option at $5. Okay, today, those options got to $6.50. So that's a 30% gain, okay, up to $6.50, and it's only been 2 days. All right, we took more profits off the table today, and I'll take you guys down. We'll go down and pull this in a little bit more. I'll go to a 15-minute chart just to break this down for a little bit more detail for you all, because this was the level that we were looking at. Okay, this $50 level. Here's $50. Okay, here is $50. And what you'll notice is that back here in September, we had previous support at $50. We then broke below 50, bounced back. It then became resistance, and then the stock sold off and has traded sideways. On Monday, we got back up and tested $50, and it became resistance once again. Okay, it became resistance once again. This is the day that I got long the swing trade on BROS. My entry on BROS was literally, where are we at? Right there. All right, I'll make this a little bit bigger. I'll change the color. All right, so right there was the entry at 48.41 on Monday. Okay, now today we broke above that $50. So remember I said $50, previous support was resistance, then it was resistance, and now look what happened today. Well, today we got over 50, and now 50 starting to act as an area of support. We started to extend, and we peeled a piece of profit off the table right there at 52. All right, so nice profits off the table there at 52. A lot of my members took profits off on the options at 630, 640, 650. That's good for a 30% gain on the option. And I am still long a piece of this position, guys. Okay, we are still long a piece of this bros position. So again, I took a piece of, let me just bring this back and I'll recap for those of you that missed it on Monday. So on Monday, I took a little piece of profit off right there when we got to 50. Then today I took more profit off when we got to 52. And I'm still long some of this position. And my next take profit, I'm looking for, okay, you have two different resistance levels that you can look at as possible profit targets, which is going to be 53.50 and then 54.50 are kind of your next little areas of take profit. These are your next areas of resistance. Everyone, welcome Garamond. Everybody welcome Garamond, the newest member of the TTG family, guys. Use coupon code TTG121. You'll get a brand new laptop. There's only 14 of them left. You're going to get 2 small private study group sessions included. You're going to get a money back guarantee plus $50. If you don't make back your membership fee after going through all the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending one study group, I will give you the entire $1180 back plus $50. So you're going to pay $1180. I'm going to give you back $1230. That's how much I stand behind this program. That's how much I believe in this program.
So when I came on earlier and I said, Jason, you have to enter the coupon code.
He still didn't. Come on, Jason.
Jason, bro.
Damn it, Jason. So he paid $19.90.
Jason, come on.
So he paid $19.90.
Yeah, he paid $19.90.
All right. So Jason, now we got to refund you that difference, brother.
Is it not bad enough that my kids and wife make me do a ton of work after I get home from this anyways? Come on, brother. All right, we'll fix it.
We'll fix it, Jason. Don't worry about it. We'll fix it. All right, so here we guys go. There we are. There's the update on the bros trade. I wanted to recap that for you guys. So far, this is working out really, really nice. Very happy so far at this trade. We're fully protected now. Can't lose on this. We've already locked in solid profits on this position. We're already good for, $3.50 a share. $3.50 a share on the trade. Everybody welcome Jason. Everybody welcome Jason. We should say that. We should welcome Jason. We only have 13 of those laptops left now, guys. So 13 of them. Okay, only 13 laptops left. All right. So there you have it, folks. There's the update on the bros trade. We're still long. All right, we're still long, and I will update you as this trade unfolds. But those are going to be my next profit targets. My next profit target is going to be in that 53.50 to 54.50. It's going to be right in that window. Okay, right here will be my next take profit, right inside this little range. That's where I'm looking for a move to. Maybe it happens tomorrow. Maybe it happens Friday. Maybe it happens next week. We're still long this trade. I'm looking for my next take profit up there. Everybody welcome Omar. Omar is the newest member of the TTG fam. Everybody welcome Omar, TTG121 coupon code. We got 12 laptops left. You're getting a 46% discount. You're getting 2 small private mentor study groups. And I'm going to give you an extra $50 on top if you guys don't make that membership fee back after going through the courses, passing the quizzes, and attending one private study group. If you don't make $1180 back at least once, I'm going to give you all that money back plus $50. I'll give you $1230 back. You pay $1180, I'll give you $1230, and you got a free laptop. You're looking at about a 10% return on your investment. K-Rock, thanks for that. All right, so there's the update, guys, when it comes to the bros trade. All right, there's the update when it comes to the bros swing trade. Bruh. All right, next, lessons. Let's talk about JSPR first. I know this was a stock that a lot of people were focusing on today. Okay, this is a major, major mover today. And this thing just took off like a bat out of hell today after a couple of early halts. I actually did not trade it during this initial run. I was actually focused on different things. I was focused on bros. I was looking at other things. So I wasn't trading JSPR on that first move. I wish I did. But everybody welcome William. William's the newest member of the group. We now have 11 laptops left. Okay, 11 laptops left, guys. TTG121 coupon code, right? TTG121 coupon code. You'll get the brand new free laptop, a 46% discount, 2 small private mentor study groups, and the money back guarantee plus $50, right? 11 laptops left. So what I want to point out to you guys now is what a controlled shallow pullback looks like. Controlled shallow pullbacks are excellent buying opportunities. And a lot of what goes into determining what a shallow pullback looks like has to do with the speed of which that pullback occurs and the volatility in which that pullback occurs. Now, let's pan this over because we'll talk about what the stock looked like when I entered the trade. That is what JSPR looked like when I bought it. Okay, that's what it looked like when I bought it. So what are we going to do? We're going to draw out our Fibonacci retracement levels first. Okay, we're going to draw out our Fibonacci retracement levels here first. Okay, and what we start to see happen is VWAP, this orange line on my screen, starts to come up here and line up with your 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. All right. I want you to notice the velocity that this stock went up compared to the calmness that the stock gave you its pullback. Notice the difference in volatility. And when I mean volatility, I mean the speed in which the price is moving. So you can see how quickly the stock went up versus how slowly the stock went down. You couple that with the volume. You couple that with let's compare, look at the volume bars while the stock was moving higher compared to the volume while the stock was having its pullback. Everybody welcome David. David is our newest member of the TG family. 10 laptops left. Okay. Remember, use coupon code TTG121. Okay. Now, when you have a stock that is volatile and aggressive on the way up, okay, with huge volume like you're seeing down here, then you see a very slow pullback. Look how slow this pullback occurred with really low volume. This is what a controlled pullback looks like. Now, we're getting into a little bit more of an advanced level technical analysis, but that's okay. That's why we're here, right? To learn. And I'll go over these things with you as simplistic as I can, right? So we can understand all of these things. But this is what a controlled pullback looks like. So this is a very, very shallow and controlled pullback. Shallow in the sense that we only got to the 23.6 fib level. The volume was extremely light compared to the volume on the way up. Ferocious move to the upside. A very slow, controlled move to the downside, right? That's what a controlled pullback looks like versus volatile pullbacks. Let me see if I can find an example of a volatile pullback. Okay, well, obviously KOSS, but like look at that price action. Okay, forget about it. Look at this price action. See how volatile that price action is? You see how fast the stock is moving to the downside? That's an example of a volatile pullback. Another one might be, no, not OCGN. Let me see. What were some small caps today? Oh, NSPR. NSPR. Okay. So NSPR. So look, see that pullback. See the speed in which the stock is moving lower. You see the speed in which we're talking about? That's what I mean by a volatile pullback. That's not a controlled pullback. That's an aggressive pullback. You want to stay out of aggressive pullbacks. Okay, you want to stay away from aggressive pullbacks. So notice that pullback versus something like JSPR. See how slow and orderly that pullback is? Yeah, DAX is another one. Thank you for that. DAX is another one. See that? That's not controlled and orderly. That's an aggressive pullback, right? Aggressive pullback. So I want you to notice the difference between that and a controlled pullback, because the controlled pullback is the buyable one. So what did I do? I stepped in and I got long right there. Right there's the entry. Okay, right there was the entry. I'll actually leave it white. I don't know if it's easier for you guys to see it if it's white. Right there was the entry on JSPR. I'll give you guys the timestamp on this one. Where are we? $15.58. $15.58 was the entry. And then you got this little bit of a move to the upside. There you guys have it. We got this nice move to the upside to new highs. Took a piece of profit off at, where are we at? $17.04. Took another piece of profit off at $17.99. And then once this thing pulled itself back below 16, I got flat right there in front of $16. So there's your entry. And then there are your take profits on JSPR. I didn't get tremendous follow through on this. I was hoping to get up towards like 19. I was hoping to get one more extension move, and I was going to get flat up into that move, but we didn't quite get it. We kind of failed. We kind of had a failed lunchtime breakout. But the lesson that I want you to take from this is not even the follow through. It's really just the controlled pullback lesson. That's what I want you guys to take away from it. All right. Nice job on JSPR, guys. My TG fam, if you guys hit it, if you made money on JSPR today, sound off in chat. If you made money on JSPR, I want to know about it. Tell me how you did. Tell me how you did. If you guys made money on JSPR, sound off. I want to know about it. All right, now, with that being said, we're going to go on to my next trade, and that's AFRM. AFRM. Now, in case you guys haven't realized, I'm an extremely diversified trader. In one day, I traded one small cap, one mid cap, and one large cap, all in the same day, folks. All in the same day. Right? I traded JSPR, a small cap. I traded Bros, a mid cap. And I also traded AFRM, a large cap. Okay? Now, with AFRM, we're going to talk about bull flags. This is a textbook bull flag setup. Textbook. Okay? Now, what's a bull flag? Let's draw it out. I'll draw out. I mean, hopefully some of you already can see the bull flag. Right? Hopefully some of you can see this already without me having to draw it. I know my TTG fam can, because they're educated. They know what to look for, right? So there you have it. There's your bull flag, all right? Here's the flag pole, and then there's your flag, okay? That's where you get the term bull flag, because it literally looks like a flag on a flagpole. But there's one very important aspect to a bull flag that you need to be aware of, rather than just the price action of the flag itself. The volume is extremely important in the formation of a bull flag. Okay? Very important on the formation of a bull flag. So what you'll see, what you want to see on a bull flag is steadily increasing volume on the way up, which creates the flag pole. Then when the flag is being created, that's your consolidation pattern. The flagpole is your momentum direction. The flag is your consolidation. When you start to form the flag, which is the consolidation, you want volume to decrease. This is a textbook bull flag. So again, increasing volume on the flagpole, decreasing volume during the flag, and we stepped in and I got long right inside of that candle. Right there was my entry, folks. Right there was my entry on a firm. Okay, right there was the entry on a firm, and I will give you guys the timestamp. Long a firm at exactly $147. Okay, exactly $147. And I also told people they can look at the October 22nd expiration $148 strike call option, because again, whenever I trade a mid cap or a large cap, I will always alert members to the option to coincide with the equity, because I understand a lot of people don't have the capital and the buying power to buy $147 stock. I get that. So when I trade the stock, I will always tell you, if you want to take this trade with me but don't have the capital, here's an option that you can go after. Okay, here's an option that you can go after. And then what do we got? A nice clean breakout. A nice clean little breakout. Nice clean little bull flag breakout, guys. And it wasn't, again, not a home run, but just a solid trade. And I just start peeling profits off the table. You know, we start peeling profits off the table on a firm. It wasn't a home run. It wasn't a monster. But not every trade's going to be a monster. All right, not every trade's going to be a monster. I'll take singles and doubles all day long. But again, the lesson I want you to take from this is really the bull flag. I want you to take the bull flag, the flag, the flagpole, the flag, the volume, the increasing volume, the decreasing volume, and that is what makes a grade A setup on a bull flag. All bull flags are not created equal. All chart patterns are not created equal, right? But this is the volume profile that you want to see while a bull flag is being formed to give you confidence to buy that bull flag. Bang. And you get the beautiful move. Again, not a monster. You know, the thing, it didn't go to $200, but that's fine. We still made some good money on this. Still made some good money on this, guys. All right. So there you have it. So there they are. Okay. So that's a firm. So guys, there it is. Right. So we just talked about, I gave you the update on the Bros swing trade, which was printing for us big time today. Congratulations, everybody that made money on the Bros swing trade. Again, if you missed that, guys, go back. Monday's live stream. It's on the YouTube channel. Go back, watch it. I announced to you guys all that I was buying Bros. Also on my Twitter, you guys, I told everybody on Twitter on Monday that I bought the stock at 48.41. You can go check that out. Follow me on Twitter at MikeEdward_TTG. Give me a follow. And then a real nice bull flag breakout on a firm. Good lessons to be learned there about bull flags. And then JSPR, good lessons to be learned about shallow pullbacks and controlled pullbacks and how to identify those as buying opportunities. So really good day. Just a lot to unpack today, a lot to go over, a lot of really good lessons that I think can be helpful and that you can use in your trading as early as tomorrow to profit. And that's my goal. Right? So again, guys, just remember, the 1-year membership, it's normally $2,212, but from now until midnight tonight, you can save 46%, brings the price all the way down to just $1,180. And you guys are going to get a brand new free laptop. The next 10 people to join will get a free laptop and 2 small private mentor study groups. That's your chance to get individual attention from a teaching mod to help speed up that learning curve. You know, and again, think of us as Netflix of trading communities, because you pay one price, you get access to the core of everything that we have. As a member to Trading, you're going to be getting access to the top premium trading tools and products because we bundle them together as part of your True Trading Group membership. We just launched our brand new trading performance journal. This will track your stock, option, and crypto, even your futures trades, to really help isolate what you might be having problems with, identify mistakes that you're making so we can understand what needs to be fixed. This is a game changer in improving on your trading. Then you're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alert service that's directly inside of chat that gives you news as soon as it crosses the wire. You can now start to get news at the same speed as the professionals. Okay. No more having to rely on delayed news feeds. Okay. This will give you news as soon as it crosses the wire so you can react at the same speed as the pros. You're also going to get Coach Stream's full book level 2. It's going to show you all the market makers inside level 2, not just the ones your broker shows you. That's part of our simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money. This is the same simulator that's used at Cal State University Fullerton, University of Wisconsin Whitewater, Berkeley Haas, and Illinois Tech. They use the same simulator in their programs. Then you're going to get Trade Ideas Scanner. The Trade Ideas Scanner is going to show you stocks that make new highs, new lows, that have a surge in volume. Okay. And it's segmented between small cap, mid cap, large cap. So no matter what you trade, you can see what small caps, what mid caps, what large caps are the hottest stocks during the day and where you should be focusing your time and attention. Then you're going to get our own proprietary scanner that has the same functionality as FinViz Elite. This lets you actually create and save your own scanner settings. But the best part, you can click on any one of the stocks on the scanner and get unlimited downloadable PDF reports that give you all the analyst ratings. Wouldn't it be nice before you buy a stock to check and see how many analysts also believe the stock is a buy? This can really help improve on your trading and investment decisions. Then you're also getting access to our social sentiment scanner. This scours Reddit, Twitter, and StockTwits and tells you how many times ticker symbols are mentioned on those different social media platforms. This is something that used to only be available to the professionals, algorithms, and hedge funds. It is now at the fingertips of our TTG members. It is our goal to level the playing field and give you access to the tools and the education that professional traders have access to. Okay. You're also going to get other useful information like the size of the float and what percentage of the float is short right here on this social sentiment scanner. Guys, all the things I'm showing you, they're all included with your membership when you pay $11.80. You do not have to pay anything extra for any of these tools. They are all included with your program. Then you're going to get TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares from active traders. You're getting at least a minimum of 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders sporting about an 84% win rate. We are fully transparent in chat. We keep a trading journal on our website that literally tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators take. This way you can follow along and see how you would be performing if you were following all of the trade alerts that go through in chat. Then you're going to get those 2 small private study group sessions. This is your chance to get that individual attention, ask questions, get help with topics that you are struggling with. Then you have the courses. Guys, remember, you'll get access to all of our courses when you join our annual membership. There aren't any pro or VIP courses that cost more money. There's no upsells. You get the beginner and foundation courses. You get the advanced courses, options, trader psychology, crypto, swing trading, you name it. We've got it. They're in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. And then in addition to the courses, there's a video library that has well over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO. All of these are included with your membership. You do not pay extra for any of this. And then, of course, our chat room. You guys get to, the moderators and I, there's 8 of us, professional traders in chat. We all share our screen with you. We are live on the microphone during the day, calling out trades, identifying opportunities, answering questions. You can send us DMs during the day and ask us questions. We're there with you from pre-market till after hours. We're there the whole day, folks. All right. Guys, listen up, because the cost of this membership is being walked up every day. It's $11.80 today. It was $11.06 last week. It's $2,500 on February 1st. Okay. To give you an idea of the value that you're getting when you pay $11.80, it's actually insane, because just the Benzinga news feed alone, if you went to Benzinga and you wanted to sign up for their Benzinga Pro newsfeed with the Squawk Box feature, which is what we have, they charge $1,400 a year for the newsfeed. You get that exact newsfeed with your membership to True Trading Group. Seriously. You can pay just $11.80 and get the newsfeed and everything else that I just showed you. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. And guys, at $11.80, the price of our membership is less than a cup of coffee a day. When you do the math, it's literally less than a cup of coffee a day. And you have the money back guarantee. What do you have to lose? Seriously. If you join True Trading Group, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one private study group. If you don't make 1180 back at least once, I'm going to give you all of your money back plus $50. So you pay 1180, I'll give you back 1230. And you got a free laptop that you get to keep, by the way. You just have to use TTG121 coupon code. Everything I'm telling you is on the website. You know you're getting exactly everything I'm telling you here. So what's the worst that can happen? You join True Trading Group. You get a free laptop. You don't make back the 1180. I give you back $1,230. You still have a free laptop, and you just pocketed $50. That's the worst that can happen. What's best case scenario? Join True Trading Group, get a free laptop, become a consistently profitable trader, and reach financial goals that you never thought were possible. Everybody welcome Niraj. Everybody welcome Niraj. Niraj, the newest member of the TTG family, TTG121 coupon code. There's only 9 laptops left now, guys. There's only 9 laptops left. Brian Bray says, thanks, guys. I'm really glad that I joined. Only 9 of those laptops left. All right. So there you have it, folks. And don't forget, you do have that 1-week trial. You can go to ttgthree.com if you're not ready to join full time. It's only $3. It's a one-time payment. You guys can go to ttgthree.com. Join us for 1 week. See what it's like to be part of the TTG fam. Okay. Just know this: if you do the trial, you're not going to get a 46% discount when you decide to upgrade. You'll get the most you'll get will be a 35% discount, and you're not going to get a free laptop. But you're more than welcome to try us out for a week and see what it's like. See if TTG is right for you. But if you're ready to join full time now, you're going to get a 46% discount and the brand new free laptop. And yes, I will give you guys a money back plus $50 guarantee on your membership. That is how much I believe in this program. I stand behind this platform. I put my money where my mouth is. Guys, results matter at True Trading Group, and that's why I'm offering you this money back guarantee, because that's how it should go. If you're going to invest your time, your money, and your energy into True Trading Group, then I'm going to invest and I'm going to commit to you if you commit to me. Okay? You commit to me, I will commit to you. That's fair. And that's how it should be. Right? That's how it should be. If you go to Home Depot, you buy something, you take it home, it doesn't work, you get to bring it back and get your money back. You join True Trading Group and you try it out and you actually put in some effort. If it doesn't work, I'm going to give you your money back. Plus the extra $50. Plus you got a free laptop. What do you have to lose? There's not a single other group out there that would do this, because none of them are as confident in their platform and in their product as we are. Well over 80% of our members are successful, meaning they're making money and they're becoming better traders. And if that was not the case, I would not be able to offer you this money back guarantee. But that is the case. Those are the facts. Those are the numbers. Those are the results. Results matter at True Trading Group. And that's why I'm offering you that money back guarantee. Use coupon code TTG121. Thanks for joining me, guys. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to the channel. And make sure you turn on your notifications so you never miss out on any one of these live streams. I'll update you guys as that bros trade unfolds, but we've already ripped a ton of profit off on that trade. The rest is gravy, baby. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody.